Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back. I can never resist like a little indie horror that catches my eye. I still feel like it falls in the realm of cozy, and trust me, Itch.io has a bunch of them. So this one, of course, caught my eye. It's called Classmates, and I'm playing as a girl named June, and I'm gonna go drop off some notes or homework or something to my classmate Ian. But the problem is, I drop him off, and then I can't escape. I can't leave the house. So you guys are gonna come with me. We're gonna play as June, and we getting the hell out of that house. I'm not playing, okay? You already know what to do. If you're feeling this video, go ahead, like and subscribe. I will put trigger warnings and all of that stuff down below. If you're interested, the link will also be down below. We're gonna go ahead and get started with Classmates. Okay, so here are I love that they already put the trigger warnings. We have stalking, kidnapping, blood and murder, some dark comedy. If that is not your thing, perfectly fine. I have some other videos for you to watch. Don't worry. Don't worry, okay? But yes, I do want to proceed. Okay, I have Lilia. All right, so you're going to Ian Davis's house? Why? He wants to borrow my notes since he missed so many classes. You barely know the guy. He asked. I couldn't refuse, plus he's been missing class to take care of his sister. It doesn't hurt to help. Can we come with? I don't want you going alone this late. Relax, it's still 7 p.m. I'll give him the notes and leave. I don't know, June. That guy is... I'm not sure how to explain it. You guys worry too much. I won't go in his house. He's our classmate, right? I'll come with you. There's no need for that. If you're really worried, I'll send you my location. Can't you go in the morning? He asked me to come now, and I already agreed. Just make sure to call us if anything happens. Yeah, you got it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, see, she already messing up because the rule of thumb is you go together, you leave together. And I promise you, had she taken them up on their offer, she probably wouldn't have gotten future kidnapped. Alright, I have to take the blue line. Which way was the bus stop again? Objective, take the bus to your classmate's house. Click X to check items. Items can be used from the item menu. To use an item on an object, stand in front of said object and click on the item. Okay. Do not save mid-dialogue as it will cause the game to crash. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Well, that's the way to the train station. I'm taking the bus. Okay, Jane. She's talking, shouldn't interrupt. Okay. Can't interact with... Oh, okay. I have my phone. Wait. I just want to apologize in advance. You guys are going to be so sick of me in that X item select button. I'm so sorry in advance. Wallet. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm June Miller. I'm 23. And I'm a chem major. Bless my heart. All right. Well, what about this way? Yes. I need to get off at the next stop. It is kind of strange that he asked me to come over at night. It makes more sense to meet up in the morning. And now I'm starting to chicken out. June, girl, you have a slightly strange feeling, but you decide to ignore it. And that is the beginning of the end. Once you start ignoring your gut feeling, my friends, it's over. It's a wrap. You're done. I'm nervous. All right, time to get off. We don't have to. But for the plot, I guess. Oh. Which way am I going? You don't need to go that way. It don't feel like 7 o'clock. This is the place. Is it? Is it? I just kind of guessed. I don't really know. It's in the middle of nowhere, huh? You can turn back around right now. We can go right back to the bus stop, girl. Ah, you made it. Yeah. All right, Ian Davis. Hello, Ian. I'm sorry for making you come all the way. Not at all. How's your sister? Oh, yeah, she's fine. Much better. I'm glad. Well, I got you the notes. You can return them anytime. Thank you. That's very kind of you. Even though we're not that close, you agreed to help me. He said, which classmate can I manipulate into coming to my house? Don't mention it. If you need any more help, feel free to ask. All right. Goodbye and good luck. Wait. Yes? Please, come in. You came all the way here. Let me get you something to drink. Oh, no. It's quite all right. I insist. I want to thank you properly. But I do understand if you feel uncomfortable. So if I refuse, what happens to the storyline? I promised Lily I'd leave after handing him the notes. I appreciate the offer, but I'm in a bit of a hurry. I see. Another time then. Yep. What was that look? So if I click that, I ended up going home. Okay, I just wanted to see. I wonder what would have happened if I agreed to go inside. Probably nothing. Alright, so ending 1, study buddy. So that, okay. Alright. Now I actually have to go inside. Okay. So let's go ahead and zoom past all of this. I will meet you guys back when we get back to Ian's house. Cool? Alright, so now I'm back at the spot where Ian is offering me, you know, to thank me properly for coming all the way out there to give them notes. Alright, the last time, of course, y'all saw, I hit refuse. I got ending 1 study buddy. So let's go in. It wouldn't hurt to stay a bit, would it? Sure, but only for a little while. Oh, I'm so glad you agreed. Please, come in. Okay. Welcome inside. Nice house. You and your sister live alone, right? Dad lives with us too. Blech. Dad lives with us too. Although he's traveling right now. I see. Follow me. Oh, I guess I should talk to you, right? Please wait here while I make us some tea. Or would you prefer coffee? Tea is fine. A girl after my own heart. I see. Give me a moment. Watch some TV? Well, no, it's okay. Okay, there we go. I keep hitting X, y'all, and it just keeps popping up with the item menu. So, wait for Ian, go help him. I'll wait. I'm like, I'll just wait. He's sure taking his time. Ooh. Here you go. Thanks. Drink up. I hope it's to your liking. I'm sure I'll love it. Oh my god, if I don't drink the tea, I just told him that I wanted it. Just go for it, girl. How is it? It's so good. It tastes exactly like the tea I make at home. I guess we have similar tastes. Oh my god, he do have pink hair. He another Ren. He know what tea I drink. Won't you drink yours? Ah, yes. Give me a minute. I'll go answer the phone. Please, take your time. I kind of need to use the bathroom. I shouldn't wander around, but this is an emergency. Find the bathroom. Why can't I just go interrupt his phone call? It's probably right here. The bathroom. Much better. Hey, sorry about that. It's okay. It's getting quite late. I should be heading home. I knew it! You're starting to feel dizzy. I knew it. I feel strange. Everything okay, June? I knew it. Yes, I would like to save my progress. Oh my god, that man that put me in the basement. Huh? What? My head. You're trying to remember what happened. Where? Am I tied up? That's right, I passed out. I got roofied, didn't I? What the hell? Yeah, girl, yeah. You feel your blood pressure drop. Your face is pale. My phone. I need to call. It's not here. Oh. June, you're awake. Ian, what's going on? Good morning, June. Good morning. Why am I tied up? This isn't funny. Please untie me. I don't wanna. June. What is wrong with you? Why are you doing this? Stop yelling. Look, I promise I'll explain everything. Let me go, then you can explain. Hell no. Where's my stuff? Where's my phone? I hid them. I hid them. Like, what? Come on, bro, please. You know, June, he's another Ren. I really like you. Ew, 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 untie me. Stop yelling. I can't believe this. Stop smiling. And what's with the knife, huh? You gonna kill me? Should I? Like, why would I say that out loud? You gonna kill me? Girl, is that a threat to yourself? Like, why would you say that? Don't give him any ideas. You just made it so easy. I mean, come on. You come into a guy's house at night, drink whatever he serves you without any hesitation. You let your guard down. This is your own doing, June. Blah, blah, blah. Sure, I should have been more careful, but you're the one committing a crime here. I understand why you're angry. I really do. But believe me, I do like you. Which is why I have to do this. My feelings for you are something you would never understand. Like, oh no. But you know what? You know what's so crazy? I think it's really based on my decisions. But based on my decisions with 14 Days with You, we didn't see any of this from Ren. Now we get it all from Ian. This is crazy. Your tantrums are kind of cute. Oh my god, ew. Stop whining. Should I tape your mouth shut too? No, sir, I have to breathe. And before y'all say you can breathe through your nose, stop. Ugh. What the heck was that? What the hell? Yeah, no, what was that? I'll be right back, June. Die. I really should tape your mouth shut. Calm down, June. You can cry later. Gotta get out of here. Did Ian drop something? You can't seem to reach it. Ian only used tape to tie my hands. Maybe if I wear it down... Alright. Press the arrow keys to free your hands from the tape. Okay, I was gonna say hello. It came off. Thank God. My arms hurt. Oh, move. Find a way out of this place. But what about this? What is that? Okay, it's not letting me. I guess I just go up, like... What? I'm trying to interact with this thing, but it's like not letting me. Okay, a box, a strange smell. Oh, it's coming out of it. What's in it? Is it the sister? Oh, no, that's not what I expected. What? Is that... Don't you scream. June, I swear to God. The box is filled with what seems to be dismembered human heads. The smell is so strong, you decide to close the box again. What is this? Okay, a room key. A key? He dropped a key? He's kind of a dumbass too, huh? What's in this box? There's a bunch of random items. Something stands out to you. This is the pencil I lost last week? Oh, he's out of his mind. Why is it here? Cool, we got a key and we got something to stab him with. Can I get out? This seems to be the way out of here. What in the... Oh my lord. He has a shrine of me. Pictures plastered along the walls. Oh wow. These are all pictures of me. You feel sick. Ian will probably be back soon. I need to hurry. I need to find my phone. I'm not gonna lie, this room kind of dark. You hear yelling from outside. Open the damn door, Aries. What the hell did you break? Leave. I said open the door. Stop screaming. Oh, he just doesn't like all that noise. I feel you. I'm gonna kill you, you brat. So Aries must be the little sister at this point. So annoying. Ian and his sister? They're fighting? Don't break anything else and stop screaming. He's coming back. Crap. Hide. Wait. Where am I hiding? Oh. Hide under the bed. Oh my God, I didn't even see that little timer. Oh, child. What a pain. June, I'm back. Huh? Where the hell did she go? I need to get out of here. Miss, come here, quick. I need to leave. He locked the front door. Come, hide in here. Oh. Seriously? He's looking for me. Hey, are you okay? I heard the fight. I'm okay. You're Ian's sister, right? Half sister. Aries, okay. She looks awfully young. Do you know where he could have hidden my stuff? We need to call the police, and I want to call my friends. In his room, probably. I don't have a phone. There is a landline in the kitchen, though. I see. Her brother seems unstable. I don't want to endanger this kid. Alright, you stay here, and I'll sneak into the kitchen and call the cops. He's gonna be outside, you know. Waiting. What about the window? Our windows don't open all the way. Huh? Oh. Father, your dad? She stopped responding. Aries? Please, leave. Okay, I'll leave. I'll get us out of here, Aries. Oh. He's not there. Since you don't have your phone anymore, you must speak to Aries in order to save. So, drawer is locked with a padlock. Okay. What about these? That's also locked. Maybe I can find a key to open it. What about down here? Can I go this way? Locked. Oh, I have to go downstairs. Ugh. Locked? Everything's freaking locked. I know this is the... Hold on, maybe the kitchen's right here. This is the kitchen. Oh, he's in there on the phone. Ah! You hear Ian's voice. He's in there. You can't use the landline right now. What's this? There's a piece of paper on the table. Obtained a note. Okay, what is the note? A guide to the purple pill. 1 capsule will cause mild dizziness. 2 capsules will cause blurry vision. 3 capsules will cause fainting for around 90 minutes. Side effects include nausea, vomiting. Response depends on the person. Mix the residue with hot water to get rid of the bitter taste and for full effect. Residue cannot be traced in the human body. Oh, he's a psycho. Alright, get me out of here. Can I go this way? Locked. So where would I go? I hate that noise. Aries, it's me, June. Need something? Never mind. Everything's locked, though. Like, everything's locked. Random papers. They all have random scribbles on them. Never mind, it's my name. It's my name. it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. Okay. Between the papers, one stands out to you. This paper is completely empty. The bed. I wonder if I can go back down. if there's anything else that I missed. Anything else? Okay. Then you have the human heads. Can I interact with any other boxes? Wait. No. Nothing but the chair. Okay. Let me get out. So, now what? I wonder if I've made any progress with him leaving the kitchen. Is he still there? It won't even let me go in there. But I literally can't go anywhere else. Hold on. I have nothing but, oh, a pencil. Oh, wait. Hold on. Let me go back to his room. Because the paper was completely empty. So I wonder. Hold on. The pencil is not sharpened. So, I mean, like, is it really broken? I can't write nothing on it. What about this one? Can I use the key for this? What the heck? Alright. Fine. But, like, what? What is this? Okay. I keep hitting that instead of freaking Z. But everything is locked. Like everything is locked and I have a key. What about y'all gonna be so sick of me by the end of this gameplay because I'm gonna hit X like 50 times. Alright, if everything's locked, let me use it on this door then. So the key Ian dropped was for this room. A drawer locked. There must be a key around here somewhere. A drawer. The purple pills. Yes, yes, yes! It's the purple pills! Okay. What about right here? No? So many books. There's a small sharpener between the shelves. A sharpener could be useful. Yep. Okay. Let's go back this way. Y'all just gotta give me some time. Give me some time. And then my brain starts just clicking. Just give me a minute. Alright. I'm going to use the sharpener. Got to sharpen the pencil. Okay. And then I want to use the pencil. You lightly shade over the empty paper. Red 139. Does this mean anything? Maybe. Hold on. Let me use it right here. Oh, wait. Oh, but yeah, 139. No, I need 4 numbers. Oh my god. All right. Red 139. What does that mean though? Can I use the key at all for this? No. Okay, so the key's completely gone. Is he still in the kitchen? He's still in the kitchen. He's still like... But where? And I can't interact with these boxes. And just a lot of books. Okay. And there's nothing in here. Nothing for me to interact with. And I can't get out the front door because that's locked too. So let me go talk to Aries. Let me save real quick. What? I want to save, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it there at that save. I do like the way this story is going. I'm not gonna lie. The controls was a little confusing at first because it was like X to get into your items and then Z to interact, and then I just kept I'm so sorry y'all, I kept pressing X, but I promise y'all, if you give me enough likes and show me that you want to see part 2, you want to see me help June get out this house, I promise I won't press X as much anymore. I promise please. But that is Classmates. Again, if you're interested, the link is down below. As always, thank you guys for coming and watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.